tops rain, dry crops calling, drops of life don't stop, listen to the rhythm, raindrops making rhythm on corrugated iron, coming down like music notes, playing tunes that nature wrote with rain. As steady as a drum beat, I can always go to sleep with rain. Rain slowly falling, it's nature's lovely daughter. Rain, dry creeks calling, fill our beds with water, see the little rivers, raindrops run like rivers on my window pane, soaking up the earth's crust, making mud from dry dust is rain. Burning plains scorched by heat, open up their arms to meet sweet rain. Rain slowly falling, see it on the mountain. Rain, a waterfall calling, flow me like a fountain, see the wet granite rock, glisten as the wild duck flock to gully waterway. The land is looking clean, the grass is getting greener with rain. Frogs and yabbies in the creek awaken from their long dry sleep with rain.